So my CV has been very varied. In the past, I've worked in a sports shop for a few years. I've worked in various call centres, selling train tickets. I've run a backpacker hostel, and I've also worked as a limousine driver for a skydive company. So I'm Natalie, and I'm a digital project manager working in the digital team at University Hospital Southampton. A digital project manager at UHS can be working on any number of projects depending on what we've got in our project management portfolio at the time. We're responsible for rolling out new systems or new technologies to the clinical teams and across the hospital. There isn't really a typical day. Some days I can be working from home and bouncing from one team's meeting to the next. Or I could be on site talking to the clinical teams, finding out how they work, meeting patients or running patient engagement workshops. I really enjoy my job here. I get to meet lots of different people. I get to work with lots of different clinical teams. It's really nice to see how the work that I do impacts on patients when I get to meet patients at engagement events. There's something different happening every single day. And the hospital's a really busy environment, so there's always a bit of a buzz, and I really enjoy that. So I came into this career accidentally. I needed a job when I moved to Southampton and was offered a temporary position as a project support officer in the electronic patient records team, which then progressed into a more permanent role as a project support officer. I then moved up to project lead for the My Medical Record team, and now I'm a digital project manager working on a digital cardiology project. So my experience as a working mum working in the UHS Digital team has been a really positive one. I've got 2 small boys and a husband at home, and I've got a great work-life balance working here. I've got the flexibility to be able to still do school pickups around my working hours, which is great. I can finish in time some days to get home to deliver the children to various sports clubs and activities and still be able to do my work. And working at home has been really helpful as well with my work-life balance. I would say to anyone considering a job in the UHS Digital team, go for it. It's a great place to work. Everyone's really supportive. It's a brilliant team to be part of. There's always lots going on, lots of opportunities for career development.